Hey guys, if Fortnite is unavailable on your Epic Games launcher, then keep watching as I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. So the first thing you need to do is just launch up the Epic Games, head over to Library from the left hand side, and then click on the three horizontal dots next to Fortnite. From here, select Options, and what you need to do is just click on this Apply button like so, and then you can try launching the game to see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, what you'll need to do is close out of the application. Also, come over to your taskbar and right click on Epic Games and select Exit. Then what we're going to do is come over to the Epic Games launcher from our desktop, and we need to right click on the icon and select Properties, click on Compatibility, and make sure you have Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also Run this program as administrator, both ticked, and then press Apply and OK. You can then try relaunching the Epic Games launcher, and from here click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, select Settings, and then scroll down the page until you see Edit Vault Cache Location and click this, and then all you need to do is press this reset button at the top and select Apply. Then you can come back over to the main screen and check to see if that's now fixed your issue. If that's not working, once again you'll need to close out of the application. Then come over to the taskbar and once again exit out of the Epic Games. And the last thing you can do to fix this is head over to your start menu and search for Run, and then click on the Run icon. From this box, type in % local app data % and hit enter. From these folders, scroll down until you see the Epic Games launcher and also the Fortnite game. And what we're going to do is just right click on the Epic Games launcher and select the trash icon to delete it. And you're going to do the same with Fortnite game as well. Just right click it, select the trash icon to delete it. Then we can close out of here, head back over to the Epic Games launcher. Then you'll need to re-sign into your account, and that will have now fixed any issues you were having. Let me know in the comments what step worked for you, and I'll see you in the next one.